In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register for PNC Bank's online banking service. Let's dive into the steps to get you set up and ready to manage your finances online with ease. First, begin by navigating to the PNC website, which you can find at www.pnc.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner where you'll notice the Sign On button. Go ahead and click that. Now you will see the login box appear. Just below that box, there's an option to enroll in online banking. Click on that link to proceed. This is where you'll choose whether to register for personal banking or business banking, depending on your needs. If you're enrolling as an individual, you'll select personal banking. However, if you're registering on behalf of a business, choose business banking. Once you've made your selection, it's time to enter some essential information. You'll need your PNC account number or your PNC debit card number, whichever you have handy. Following that, you'll be asked for your social security number or a tax ID if you're doing this for a business account. Additionally, you'll need to provide your date of birth and a phone number or email, which will be used for verification purposes. After filling out this information, the next step is to verify your identity. PNC Bank will send you a verification code via the phone number or email you provided. Enter the verification code accurately to confirm your identity. With your identity confirmed, it's time to create your online banking user ID and password. Choose something secure and memorable that you'll use each time you log in. Following this, set up your security questions. These questions add an additional layer of protection to your account and help verify your identity if you ever forget your user ID or password. Before completing the registration, you'll need to review and accept PNC's online banking terms and conditions. It's always a good idea to read through these terms to be fully informed of your rights and responsibilities as an account holder. Once you've accepted the terms, your PNC Online Banking account is officially active. You can now log in to manage your accounts anytime, whether from the PNC website or their convenient mobile app. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for PNC Bank Online Banking. Managing your finances is now at your fingertips, enjoying the flexibility and convenience of handling transactions, monitoring your account, and paying bills online. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for getting you started with PNC Online Banking.